Let's look how to export the results of the survey. So we are on the main page of the survey. The survey is titled Your Relationship to AI 2. The survey number is 174343. So we should scroll down for responses. This will output the responses on the browser. But to export the responses as a data file, we have our export button here on the upper right corner. So let's choose export responses. So the page that we are seeing now has several options. So we can choose the CSV file or JSON file, but we will choose Excel file because we would want to manually review the responses to make additions, to delete empty rows perhaps. We choose the Excel output. Then the completion state, we will choose all responses because we are interested in the full responses, but also maybe about the responses by the people who maybe finished at the third or fourth page. So all responses. So the export language only applies to it anyhow includes all the responses, both the English ones and the Estonian ones. But the language here sets the headers, how are the answers, the texts, the column headers, in which language. So range are already set. We have 25 persons who have fulfilled the survey, so we don't need to change anything here. So now at the responses box, we need to decide whether we want answer codes or full answers. So I recommend to export your survey using both. So first we will choose full answers, and on the next box at headings, let's choose the question code and question text. So this will affect how the headers of columns will be displayed. So we will see the full question and also the question code when choosing this option. Next, we can choose if we want to convert spaces into question text to underscores. That's not relevant actually. Text abbreviated is switched off because we want to see full text, and the rest of the settings we can leave the same. So at the columns box, we can choose which of the parameters, meaning the columns, we want to include in the output. By default, all the columns are chosen. We leave it as it is. And the last box, participant control, we can choose additional parameters to output into our Excel file. Let's choose everything. So this is a closed access survey, meaning that we have entered the first, last name and the email address of the respondent. So we would like this data also to be visible in the Excel file. So that's it. Let's click export, and this will initiate the download window where we can choose the target folder.